In the vast and intricate world of biochemistry and medicine, where the invisible molecules govern life's most vital processes, the name Yellapragada Subbarao stands as a beacon of pioneering brilliance. Though his journey was fraught with challenges and often overshadowed, his discoveries have profoundly shaped modern medicine and cellular biology. Born in 1895 in Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh, Subbarao's early life was marked by both personal tragedy and intellectual promise. After studying medicine at Madras Medical College, he moved to the United States in 1922 to pursue advanced research, overcoming hardships including financial struggles and racial discrimination. At Harvard School of Tropical Medicine, he collaborated with Cyrus Fisk to develop the Fisk-Subbarao method, a groundbreaking assay to measure phosphorus in biological tissues, which paved the way for his seminal discovery of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, as the cell's primary energy currency. Subbarao's identification of ATP revolutionized the understanding of cellular metabolism, revealing how energy is stored and transferred within living cells, a cornerstone of biochemistry that underpins countless biological and medical advances. Beyond ATP, he synthesized folic acid, a vital nutrient that became a life-saving treatment for tropical sprue, a disease that tragically claimed his own brothers. His work in folic acid synthesis also contributed to therapies for anemia and childhood leukemia. In addition, Subbarao developed methotrexate, a chemotherapy drug that remains crucial in treating cancer and autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. He also discovered diethylcarbamazine, DEC, the only effective drug against filariasis, a debilitating tropical disease. Despite these monumental contributions, Subbarao faced institutional barriers, including being denied a faculty position at Harvard, yet he led critical medical research during World War II as Associate Director at Ledley Laboratories, overseeing discoveries such as the first tetracycline antibiotics. Yellapragada Subbarao's legacy is one of extraordinary scientific insight combined with resilience against adversity. His work not only transformed biochemistry and medicine but also saved countless lives worldwide. As we remember Subbarao, we honor a visionary whose dedication to science and humanity continues to inspire generations to push the boundaries of knowledge and healing.